crafty friends! Today I have an exciting unboxing for you. We're diving into the Simon Hurley Space Adventures collection from Spellbinders. First, we have the To the Moon die set. It includes a detailed rocket ship along with space-themed dies like a planet, moon, and some shooting stars, perfect for creating interstellar scenes. Next, let's check out the UFO Friends set. This is your go-to for crafting an adorable UFO. It comes with all the pieces to assemble a spaceship and even features a cute alien with various antennae options to customize the look. How fun is that? Now for the sentiments. The collection also includes the Space Greetings sentiment set, written in elegant cursive. The phrases are perfect for your space-themed cards and include "Love you to the moon and back," "Greetings Earthlings," and "Happy birthday." To tie it all together, we have a star-patterned layered stencil. This stencil helps you create stunning backgrounds, and it pairs beautifully with the star embossing folder and matching die set, forming the Starry Night set. The die can even help you align the edge of your card with the embossing folder for a seamless finish. I'll have links in the description below if you want to craft along with these fantastic dies. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be crafting some cosmic creations with this entire collection. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day.